Hey guys, in this video, I will show you Fishing Planet promo code's top 3 discounts. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Here I will show you 3 websites that offer promo codes for Fishing Planet. First, open the Fishing Planet website on your browser of computer. You can see Fishing Planet codes here. Here you can see different codes that would be applicable to your orders. You can also get more by clicking on the given options. This code was found on Redeem Code Today website and it will work when you use it. Next is Steam. You can also explore the home page or main page on the Steam website. You can get offers. Also, you can get 30, 40, 50 or more % off depending upon the offer. And the last one is LinkedIn. You can get special discounts on premium accounts on the LinkedIn website. You can get 10% off with free gifts on it. By clicking on it, you can see different codes shown to be used. You can sign into your account to get more offers. You can also visit the coupons. You need website to get more offers. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.